Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to know how this yummy looking body scrub was made, stay tuned and remember to subscribe, like, share. See you. So for this recipe, we have two phases. We have phase A and phase B. In phase A, we have the oil phase, which is we have our emulsifying wax, we have carrot oil, we have turmeric oil, we have sesame seed oil, we have mustard seed oil, we have shea butter, we have vegetable glycerine. In the next bowl, we have our brown sugar, we have some sparse salt, we have some botanical powders, quite a number of them, and we have rice powder. These two phases will combine together to form an emulsifying body scrub. But before then, the oil will be double boiled. We'll double boil it to melt all the oils together, and then I'll be back. Look at the yumminess in the bowl. The combination of the body scrubs, like the exfoliants, different kind of exfoliants that have been put together to make this body scrub. Your skin will thank you for it, and it's really simple, very easily accessible. You come out looking young, like your skin will be so youthful. 40-50 years and you look like you're 20. I'm not even joking. The powders, the exfoliants, everything have been carefully selected to ensure that you have like optimal results. Now I'm combining the powders. As you can see, our oil is also ready. It is all melted now, and at this point I'll just let it cool down a little bit before I go ahead to add the other stuff that is needed to be added to it. Now I'll be adding some propylene glycol to the oil. Propylene glycol in this formulation serves as a penetration enhancer. It's necessary to have propylene glycol in almost all your formulations, as that enables everything, all the products you've used to come together and combine very effectively. Next, I'll be adding into the oil a few drops of eucalyptus essential oil, about 0.5 ml of eucalyptus essential oil. Next, I go in with my dermal plus 0.5% of dermal plus some preservative, since this scrub will be mostly used in the bathroom and we don't want any germs. Then I go right after to add the oils into the powder, and I try to combine everything together. Combine as much as you can. You want to properly incorporate everything together. Just go ahead and combine it, and then later on, if you choose to, you can also use like your hand mixer. See me here, I'm combining, and then I went ahead to use my hand mixer, you know, so too. And then because I also want this to be quite a bit foamy, I went ahead to add some Castile soap to it, the liquid Castile soap, because I want it to come out like foamy. So it's exfoliating and it's also foamy, it's not drying on the skin, you know. So I went ahead, added some Castile soap to it, and then I combine. Look at that goodness, look at that yumminess. It looks fluffy, it looks nice. Just look at it. Just look at it, guys. It's so good. It is so good. Then I went ahead to blend until you find like you have a very nice, you know, consistency. You'll see what it looks like in a bit as I go ahead to blend. Just look at it. Look at it. It looks so good. It looks so perfect. Use this at least 2-3 times a week. For someone like me, I use a lot of body scrubs like Body scrubs and body oils are my go-to. I rarely use like body creams, you know. And then I went ahead to package it, you know, and just look at this yumminess. Just take a look at this yumminess, guys. Try this recipe and let me know what you think. Let me know what the results were for you. I'll see you next time.